welcome to another instalment of valuable work by Shores of Neagh Community Group. We're here today working on a Lough fishing cod. It's our new project over the next few weeks. We'd be delighted if you could come along and join us any Wednesday it suits. The fellas from the Lough Boating Heritage Association will be at work from 10 AM to 8 PM any Wednesday, and all of this has been made possible by Heritage Lottery funding and kind collaboration of Lough Partnership. So we look forward to you joining us. Thank you.